Hi, hello friends, my name is Ajitesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us see how to make an invisible folder in which you can hide your photos, videos, voice clips, whatnot, everything in that. And we are going to do this without using any softwares. You heard it right, it is just a small simple trick. This is a very nice way to hide documents, photos, whatever you want. You could use this method in other versions of Windows, but we are having Windows 10. Actually, there is an old traditional technique in this. First, let me show you that one. Create a folder, go to Properties, choose Hidden. It works, but the problem with that method is that if someone knows to see hidden files or folders, then they can find it. And to make it more difficult to find, I have a small other technique. First, what you need to do is to right click on a file or a folder, choose Rename. There you have to clear all the characters. Next, hold the Alt key, it doesn't matter which one you hold, and then type 0160 using the number pad. Once you have done that, take your finger off and hit enter. Now you can't find any characters in the name, right? The next step is you have to right click on it and go to Properties. There you have to choose Customize tab. And then right click on the change icon button and scroll until you see this particular icon. Choose anything from these 4 empty spaces. I'm gonna choose the first one. Once you have done that, click OK. Once you have done that, you need to right click on that folder. Choose Properties. There just click on Hidden. And if you want to make its subfolders also transparent, then choose this option. Click on OK. Tada! We have done that. And now let us find this hidden folder. Go to this PC, choose View tab, and then tick Hidden Items. And then you will be able to find this transparent block, but it is very difficult to detect. And that's how you make a folder super transparent or invisible. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to thumbs up and please share it with your friends and support me by subscribing our YouTube channel. Thank you.